Okay, so last week we were walking from a networking event back to our car and we found this baby over here. We found her. She was obviously not supposed to be outside. It's okay. This is Limoncita. We believe she's female. In English, her name is Lemon. Yeah, so we found her, and apparently in my family, we usually find birds like this. They just leave their home and want to live with us. My grandfather used to drive taxis in New York City, so one day he's driving and this green thing hits his windshield. He's like, "What is that?" And it was a parrot, and we still have that parrot decades later. So that's just how birds come to us. It's okay. Hello. It's okay. Good girl. It's okay. So she is she's newer to our household, but hello. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Yeah, so hi TikTok. This is Limoncita. Look, oh, good girl. We believe she's a girl, at least. And that's how we found her. We rescued her. She was pecking at food that was not food. She thought it was food. It was like dried up weeds and stuff that just wasn't giving seeds or anything. And she has a little tag on her leg. Right here. Let's show them. It's okay. It's okay. Please don't poop on my head. Okay. She has a tag. And we took down the number and we went to a pet store and we asked if they can track it and they said no. So she's ours now. Especially because we fell in love with her. Him, her. I think it's a her because I look at the nose and it looks like a her. But you can never tell until, they start laying eggs. Yes, hi. Yes. What's up, baby? We are going to be assembling her new, used, bigger cage because I looked it up and this one is still too small for her. So we're going to be assembling the other one. And she's so spoiled. Está consentida. Consentida. Mwah. But yeah, I did not expect to have a pet at all this time last week. Still, she has not been here with us for even a week yet. But we found her last Thursday. She's so cute. Yes. So, I will be working on the rest of my Art of Resistance series, I promise. Life has just been a little bit crazy. And I am working on setting up a Patreon so that I can continue doing the Art of Resistance series. I'm going to do it anyway because it's important information, but I do, as a performer and somebody here in LA, this city has been a little crazy lately. Life has been a little bit insane lately, and I now have a baby to take care of. So, if anything, it'd be really helpful if you guys, subscribed, commented, engaged, and also once that Patreon is up, it would be really helpful. Even $1 would help. But I think I'm going to do it $5 a month minimum because $5 really helps. Helps 5 times as much as $1 would. Right, baby? Hello. Hi. So yeah. Anyway, that's been my life update.